Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's begin the garden. I would like to show you this autumn flowering crocus. It's called Crocus kotschyanus Reliance or Crocus kotschyanus subspecies kotschyanus. This is a seed-grown strain and it flowers on barely without foliage in autumn, and it has only leaves and the seed pods in spring. And this is a very nice plant because most of the Crocus kotschyanus in the trade are infected with the cucumber mosaic virus and iris severa mosaic virus, and they do not flower, or if they flower, the flowers are distorted. And this one is a really nice healthy plant, and well, I usually forget about it. I only see it when it flowers, so it's end of September and it flowers at this time of the year. So that would be all. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.